First, we will do this. Tap, side. Tap, side. Tap, and side. Completely your weight, and what we want to take care is not to drag this foot. It has to be all your weight on this leg when you move this foot to collect. Tap, change weight, and now this one has to be completely light. Collect, tap, side. Feet together, tap, side. Feet together, tap, side. Feet together, tap, side. Very good. Now let's do what we've been doing before. Crossing behind and side, crossing behind and side. Same principle. Let's try not to drag the foot that is coming after we change weight. Let's try to put all our weight in this leg so this one is completely free of weight. Cross behind and side. Cross behind and side. Now we can combine. Tap, cross behind and side. Tap, cross behind and side. Tap, behind, side. Tap, behind, side. Tap, behind, and side. And let's try to make that side step long. Tap, behind, side, long step. Tap, behind, side step. One more, tap, behind, side.